Let me show you the steps to set up an effective Facebook ad campaign. So we're in the Ad Manager, and you just click the green button to create. It'll go to this page here where you name, there's 3 parts to your campaign. The campaign name, the ad set, which is how you do targeting, who will see your ad, and then the ad, what your ad looks like with your image. That's it, it's easy. So 3 parts, we just name it. We're going to do this for the open house test, okay? So we're just going to name the campaign. We want traffic. We're going to send traffic to our Facebook integrated landing page. And we'll create new ad set. This is the targeting again. So I'm just going to name it open house targeting. Okay? And then this is the open house test ad, okay? So I just named all of those, and I just click the blue button right here, save to draft, and it'll pop open where you can edit all of these things. And you'll see them right here, okay? So I'm going to, and here we are, they're listed here again, the campaign name, the ad set, so I'm going to set up the targeting, so we just click that. You'll see it right here. It's very easy to do the targeting. You'll see it's all set right, 230 million, so everyone in the United States is set to see this, so we have to narrow that down a bit. So we choose traffic to our Facebook integrated landing page, and we just scroll down here, and we set, first thing we set our budget. We have it set for $20. Now for the campaign, this video is based on an open house campaign that we just finished running. We ran it for about 3.5 days, set the ad budget for $20. Excuse me, we ran it for 2.5 days, set the ad budget for $20, spent about $42 for about 100 leads. And we did this exact same thing that I'm showing you right here. So set the daily budget here, then start date and end date. So let's say we were running it for next weekend. We want to start it on Thursday, the 31st, and then you just put the end date here, end run on. You can see it right there. You just choose your date. So it'll stop on, like let's say on Sunday, if you had an open house, you want to stop it at 3 or 4 o'clock. You just put the time in there. And that's it. You're ready to roll right there. And then you just scroll down to your audience. And this is how you choose who will see your ad. Now, with an open house, it's easy to do. Or a new listing, any type of property, just sold, coming soon, whatever you're doing. In this case, it's an open house where you can actually type in the location. And so I'm just going to go right here. So this was in Long Beach, California. You can use zip codes. If you just type in Long Beach, it'll pop that up, and you just click that. So I'm just going to click that and show you. And now you see it's down to $8 million, the potential 8 million people, potential reach. And the reason for that is it's Long Beach plus 25 miles around Long Beach. You can see that right here. So you can narrow that down by going just to 10 miles. You'll see the change on the audience there. You can also, okay, so I removed that because I want to, you can type in the property address. So I just had to find an address in Long Beach, and as you type it, it'll pop up. I'm just going to type that. You see that? So now it's targeting the exact location. So you could use city, zip codes, or the actual property address, and then you have the radius here. Now 10 miles in this highly populated area, 1.9 million, that's way too many people. We want to get it down definitely under 200,000. 100,000 even is nice. Okay, so now we're 1 mile out of the property, 36,000 people. So maybe we'll go 3 miles out. And we're at 190,000, and then we're going to do additional targeting. We can come back and change that. So the first thing that you do is you set your location, what area of the country you want people to see it. And you can see the radius right there, right? Second thing we do is change the age. We go up a little bit based on your area. You might go higher than 23, but I'm just going to go to 23. And then here's where you do the detailed targeting. It's not that complicated. You just type in a few things here, and you could also exclude realtors. Now, what do we want to type in? In the report we have the targeting that we use, but you type in things like Zillow and their interests right there. So you just click on that. So only people in the area, in that area, who have an interest in Zillow will see your ad. Okay, so just check the report for additional targeting. You just add them here, And then to exclude people, you want to exclude realtors, right? You don't want realtors seeing your ad and clicking on it. So you just find realtors under job title, realtor. You see job title right there. Just click on that and it'll exclude realtors. So do realtors, real estate agent, loan officers, things like that. You just exclude that. That's all you do for your targeting. That's it. And then the next step is to set up your ad, which also is very easy. So I'm just going to click on that and we'll go to the ad builder right here that they have. Okay. Go here, and all you do is you pick what you want to show. You want to show an image or a video or a carousel, you could do that. I'm just going to go with a single image that we created on Canva, and you'll upload your image right there, and then you just add your text right here. And you could also copy and paste emojis, and that's it. With your website URL, you put the home page of your Facebook integrated landing page, because that's where you want the traffic to go from the ad to the landing page. And that's it. You'll see the ad pop up here so you can see how it looks. You want to check out how it looks on mobile news feed and desktop news feed. That's where most of them will be seen. And that's it. That's how you can set up a Facebook ad campaign. For an open house, you can, if it's your listing, great. If not, if you have a guy in the office who has a property that's not sitting around, tell him you want to do an open house, tell him you're going to do a Facebook ad campaign, which is exactly what the agent in this report did. It wasn't his listing. He set up an ad campaign and spent under $42, generated 100 leads, traffic to his open house, more people walking in there to generate leads and build his business. It's easy to do. Post-a-Prop has a bunch of different landing page options. In fact, almost 150 landing pages specifically for real estate leads. Here is our site, postaprop.com. Go here, check out live examples. We've got content on using Facebook. We've got a great case study too. You scroll down right here, just click this button here for a case study on a listing that we did. Just click that with great results. And if you want a promo, check out that right here. We may have a promo for you, so click that. But that's how you set up a Facebook ad for an open house. Hope you found this helpful. There's a report right under this video.